What do you do if a brand comments on your post and says, hey, we want to use your content on our socials? Can we do that? This is a sticky situation. I think there's a few different ways to handle it, but here's what I would do if it were me. First of all, if a brand is asking to use my content in their socials, but they're looking for actual usage rights on that content that's outside of socials, it's a no from me. If a brand is putting ad spend behind a piece of your content, you should also be making money. There's literally no other way here. Like, do gifted collaborations if you feel like it, whatever, I'm not going to stop you, but do not give away usage rights without payment, please. So typically what I do is I respond to the comment and I'll say, hey, sending you a DM. And then I'll go into the DMs, I'll send them the DM, and it's going to just basically say, super excited for you to share my content. Can I please have an email where I can send the content to? Straight, super simple. But the reason that we want an email is because then we are getting something in exchange for letting them use the content on their socials. They're going to tag us, which, okay, exposure, great, whatever. Now I'll have a direct link, a direct contact to that brand so that I can start to initiate conversation about a paid collaboration. Then I would essentially send that brand an email saying, hey, your social person, wanted to use this content. Here's the piece of content. However, I would love to introduce myself. And then we start to build connections. Then we roll in with the anti-pitch method. Bing, bang, boom. We're moving, baby. And we are on our way to a paid partnership.